Hi, welcome to the next episode of Random and Ruhi. So, in today's episode, I thought randomly I wanted to show you what I do, rather, a part of what I do. So, as you already know me, and to those who are new to my channel, I'm an actor, dancer, and model. So, I do theatre, films, serials, web series, ad films, TV series, and also voiceovers. So, how do I get the opportunities or the projects? So, just as we would interview for a position at a company, we actors have to audition for the roles that we are applying for. And I wanted to randomly show you what goes on behind the camera and how we audition, or the process of how we audition. So, a while ago, I got a casting call, and the lead character mandated to be a native Marathi speaker, while the primary support need not be native speakers because they just had to say a dialogue after rehearsing it. So they had the liberty to rehearse the line in Marathi and say it. So I thought, why don't I give it a try? I'm not a native Marathi speaker, so I will apply for the primary support cast where I can rehearse the lines and say it out. But surprisingly, I got shortlisted for the lead role, and I didn't know what to do because I can't speak Marathi. I would have had to rehearse the lines multiple times. Yes, I am good with languages, but on set, we've got to be as natural as possible because we can't take multiple takes and retakes and all that. So fluency with the language is a good thing. Yeah. So I thought, how am I going to do it? I immediately reached out if there were any native speakers who could help me out with the script. So thankfully, some of them messaged me back. They helped me with the lines. They sent out voice notes so I could learn the pronunciation, the enunciation, the pauses, the rhythm of the language. And I did this at around 11 p.m. in the night. I couldn't sleep until I got the lines right. So I think I might have practiced the lines 10,000 times. I don't know. But I did rehearse. I practiced the lines so many times and I was thorough with it. And the next morning I thought, okay, chalo, let's take the audition. So I set up the spaces, I had the props ready, I knew what I was going to do. And I rehearsed the entire thing a couple of times, mainly because I was going to be doing the audition in a language that is not my native, and that's something that I have not learned at all. So I practiced a couple of times and I did the audition. Very few takes, maybe one or two, maybe, I don't remember. But yeah, it came out well, is what I hoped for.
माझ्या चहासाठी पाहुण्याची नेहमीच गर्दी असते. प्रत्येकाची एक वेगळीच फरमाईश असते. होतो जसा हवा तसा, असा हा चहा सरस्वतीचा, वाटतो प्रत्येकाला आपलासा.
Okay, yeah, I sent out the video to the casting director, who generally does not talk unless necessary. I immediately got a reply, very nice. And that's when I was like, oh, I cracked the audition. And I got further feedback that I fit the role, I looked the role, and I've done a great job in the audition video. So I felt very happy and I thought, I might get the project. I was sure that I'm going to get the project then, but unfortunately, I did not get the project. For what reasons? I don't know. So it was very devastating to me at that point in time. I felt very let down. And just like Po from Kung Fu Panda, I had to order some ice cream and some donuts and some stress eating food like chips and whatnot. Yeah, but then I realized I think it's a part and parcel of this entire process, because I did crack the audition video and the video came out really well and I got great feedback. Why I didn't get the role is totally dependent on what the storyteller's vision was and the entire team's vision. Maybe I didn't fit the character that they had envisioned, so that's why I didn't get it. I don't know. It, I think, boils down to, do I fit the role? Do I look realistic as per the storytellers or the director's thought process, or the scripts or the characters' specifics? Yeah, so after eating a lot of sugar and a lot of chips, I decided, let me just not worry too much. Did I enjoy doing the audition? Yes, of course. Did I put in my 100%? Absolutely. I mean, more than my 100%. And I learned a new language, and now I'm really confident that I can put on my resume that I can, with rehearsal, speak Marathi. So that's the plus point. Yeah, I am generally optimistic, but rejects are not very easy to handle even now, despite receiving rejects after rejects after rejects. Yeah, but it's a part and parcel of this process. I enjoyed the audition video. I hope you did too. And I shall share more about my upcoming projects and the process behind it, because I have some really nice projects coming up. More than success, I think it's just happiness. It's more about, are you happy doing what you're doing? Stay tuned, follow my channel, subscribe to Janvika Academy, and watch out for more. Bye bye.